how to use whiteboard in Zoom. So let's get started. So if you want to learn how to use whiteboard in Zoom, then what you can do is just simply follow some easy steps. So to use whiteboard in Zoom, what you have to do is first of all open up your Zoom application. After opening up your Zoom application, just tap on new meeting and then start a meeting. So after starting a new meeting, now what you can do is in the bottom of your screen you will find a bunch of options. So now what you can do is just simply scroll towards the left and you should find a share icon. Just tap on that, and after tapping on share icon, now you will find a bunch of options. So from here what you have to do is just simply scroll down, and after scrolling down here you should find the option which is share whiteboard. Just tap on it and then tap on use classic whiteboard. And after tapping on that, now you'll come up to your whiteboard and now you can access your whiteboard. So from here what you can do is just simply tap on the pencil icon which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. After tapping on the pencil icon, now you can find a bunch of options in the left side of your screen. So from here you can use every single option. So I'll just explain you how to use these options. So what you can do is, this is the first option which is pencil. So with this option what you can do is you can draw anything that you like. So you can draw anything that you want, and after drawing it, now you can just simply erase it by tapping on this option which is erase. So here you can find the eraser. If you just tap on it, it will erase it. And now the second option is tick. So those are stamps. So now what you can do is you can use stamps in your whiteboard. So this is used to indicate something, so you can use it if you want. So after doing that, now if you want to remove them, what you can do is again use the eraser option and that will remove them. So the third option is highlight. So if you just tap on it, this is the option, it is highlight, and what this option does is it will highlight anything that you want. So if you written a text, so what you can do is just simply use this and highlight it. So just put it over there and that means it is highlighted. So this is the option of that, and you know about eraser, and this is undo and redo. So this will undo and this will redo. So these are the two options, and the third option is delete. So after tapping on that delete option, now what you can do is just simply clear all drawings in your whiteboard, or you can clear only your drawings that are in your whiteboard, or just clear other drawings. So you can use any of these options, but this option is only accessible for those who are the host of the meeting. And the last option is download, so you can save your whiteboard after finishing it. So that's it guys, this is how to use whiteboard in Zoom. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.